It's really awesome to see everybody here. It's incredible how the group has grown over the years. We were just talking about this a little earlier, how we used to be such a smaller group over here. Was it five years ago? I think there was 8 or 10 of us that sat here at this little table for our Christmas holiday celebration. Merry Christmas. There was just 10 of us here, and now we've grown into this incredible group. So we just wanted to take a quick minute and say thank you. Thank you to everybody that's here. Thank you to our significant others that are here, because we can do the job that we do because of you guys. You support all of us. So we really want to just take a quick minute and say thank you to everybody.
Yeah, I just want to say how proud I am of all you guys. It's been an interesting year, I think, to say the least. And I spent a lot of time traveling and going to different events, and I can't tell you enough how proud I am of this entire team. We go to different things, and people are always talking about what a great team we have here at Scarlett, what a great job we do, and I'd love to stand there and take credit for it, but really the credit belongs to this entire team. So I'm grateful for all of you, and thank you, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
In my skin, not win.